Okay, so I brushed her hair out. It should be a little bit more moist than this. And then I start from the top. Huh? Yes, well, make sure you have some mousse in it. And it's slightly damp. I'm starting from the top here.
You should do it like that.
Yeah, okay. All right, put it in the view so from behind. Okay, so I pull the hair back to about here, start about halfway, and then roll this around, and then roll it up so it holds the hair in place and it stays smooth. You just keep rolling and rolling, and then fold these up like that, and it'll hold itself in place. And then the middle piece. Same kind of thing, about halfway. Rolling the hair, holding that bottom piece, and then rolling it up. And just keep rolling until it's nice and tight, and then fold it again. And it's going to be somewhat loose. I'm not ready for that yet.
Come around the other side.
Yeah.
I want to make sure I get that, how you tuck that little last piece in, the end.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so about halfway. And notice that I'm curling down so it keeps it in the spiral. And then I hold it with my finger and then roll it on top so the hair holds it in place and it doesn't crunch.
Mama, what would happen if it crunched?
Oh, it just wouldn't look as pretty of a curl. So I leave this open so you don't have the weird kinks. You can put it in the half ponytail. I hold it and roll it up. Let's see, just fold it nice and tight.
Too pumpkin.
The honey bear.
Like that. And you just keep going around. And I think for that big spiral, about that thickness would be good. You can see that much hair. You just hold it.
Well, I was trying to give him an all-around view.
That's funny.
You're taking about a 2-inch
Yeah.
amount of hair.
Yeah. Just hold it. And then you pinch, pinch, and probably just finish 2 more. Pinch, pinch. So when you take these out, don't comb the curls out until you're ready for them to perform. So after they put on their costume, then take them out, if you can. she's going to go to school with her curls. We'll take these out, but leave the curls in and not brush our fingers through them. There you go.
And she's going to bobby pin them in place too.
Yeah, so I could do a little video for you guys later with that, but just leave them in. It'll be slightly damp. She can still lay on her side so it doesn't bug her sleeping, actually either side. Yeah, so there you go. That's how we curled the hair.